of it say your friend no Nika, right? Nika. And an Idian Kasaye Bay. It's Bay is also in chain as an artist and also a guest that we are going to dig much about Bay. Now face so ya can summer and nam social media so. Now ansana ye free a year in time video ne so no ye ka say e matan kama oyesini cheni okai ekeka ni nsem bia mre bi atwam na wotwa sini gidigidi pa na e che say producers and na face so directors no or show na chipa tawa no twa sini na ne ye show mo say bi omo kala no mo sesa no so we nipa tuntum na we bleach kakra se ne be ya the light ne to so a ye be hu se ampa mata nie na ye koya de kofa eba eye be so siane be ya ye nim se oye nwumtuni ono so ekwan bi so no sidie ne brand city no ofili offended ana niam bi wo honom na nkrofo kan ha na say eno kai ye say ye hye nkomo na se foforo se ne be ya obeti be ensem bia okai ase enti be me yenko ewo so na ye kan si say ye hye wo brand dia we obi a wo peme man eniema hye asomande na wa hye asomande no kra mema yi bi hye bi ultimate what dress the way see address esi afa enti obi baby say why this dressing because who your ba ho ye fe see the answer na free ye show ne so no so we flexible honam de esi so ankasa honam ye bokoboko na de nti na wan share e matare na se me de be de me mantare na me hye
oh okay me chia obi biara o hye ene Oka branding asemo entire share okay me share be ma tire da
share be ma tire da ye wo hye bia your ba
sebia wo your ba sebia na me ntimi mo share sebia be ma co-host no ama yakọ ani mo na me ya kire na me lebo atare hye me bia your ba tire
sa
ba me ana to da me customize no we me na me ma de I choose how to wear my dress based on the mood, yeah.
Okay, nti atare no to unko se bia akoto mema atare.
Oh, there be.
Ba wankasa na wo to ba atare na no wetwitwa.
There me pen na me no.
Nti wo to atade no nika ye show sisi na ye tenten na ye tietia.
We me to na trouser.
Na ye trouser na wo wetwitwa eni mu ni na watete.
Enye me fe say trouser as not design enye me fe. Nti me so me ye ni si ade be fe. And I'm like obi no bi so ye ni say mama.
Ansa na ye free show ni so no na wo say who date and wo say what date yes there that means enya 1 year nya afi ebetimi aye 2 years eko na o kan sa mi bi sa say an say ye show look ya oba approach you so oba hu say babe pass dey me si hu honam sisi hu so honam bogobogo yi minya be say nka oba o nka me ne twempna wonya oba bi sa otimi ba wanim kasa
bi sa ko bi kosu sa o Ghana ha sa Ghana ha de enya sa o nti no minim se bi kosu ha de ame de mi hu bi da
nti oba bi ani wa ba wanim abepe o
de bi mpacho so ye oba na obepe mi da na hu mo camera ni ma comment wa se so obepe mi da why na me kan share sister why
enti oba bi ampe wo da
de bi ade nti no ba bepe mi ada me se bema o yes I so ka se me se bema
de bi on se bema de bi on se bema momudie but see the appearance tie no say Ghana ha say lesbian ni gay enye legal illegal yan jintu mu say obi nye gay so educator no mo keka o ma yi o manim no when say emre bi ba na te say koye te say Donald Trump die bia omo hu beka adwamu what ya say
enene ne ya so betima mo aka adwamu ana
ye betimi
ya no mo na mo
so money nam ho
yeah so because it's legal so mutimi ne nam ha dey illegal
enye legal
like say chill say oye bi ne be kun dia na illegal enye chill dia
before you come before cry any the
black Africans
country the fry cry South Africa for money different from intimi for one for Nigeria for cry e so money be pa Congo Togo Ghana kasa any be wo from mechanics
dey na Ghana any be wo from
Ghana any be wo from because enye ne abrofo di dia beto so na say ene technology ntama obi ani abie ehu sa ne o mane ni dia to so a na e ho dada
gay and lesbian no and no chenny Beea.
I don't know gay and lesbian.
No.
I know tomboy. I know Obabema. I know see a will be or Bema futures or Casat Bema or be Casat so bar or be a Bema but be at so bar or that army I'm a two be army so Yamebo be away me say. It is an minim but medium gay and a minim lesbian.
But say when him say ye crow ya yetisui when him gay na on him lesbian no say obi dress kwan bi so a ye figure ne say nipa we ye say
and the na adwin mu nipa na adwin mu ene e bia ono na ye bi da no ntino ohun anu ohun say ye say a birds of the same feathers flock together anameboa
enye so wa ye bi on say o ye nyini ba no
and I say Ghana for a prophet
there be ti ye nka so be a prophet o but one say nipa wo nyini ba on ade a wo hu o society no and stick it to your brain. See ane oba de o nyini a saying and dressing tie saying na oba ye saying na be ma ye enti se be ma bi nyini na o ni physique bi nse be ma ye hu ni se e bie nipa we ye say
obi ko eti mika se nipa na adwi mu ka no
bi ti se obi o hon ma wa ye rasta o ma wa ha se wa boniti automatically see the culture any niema ye wo Ghana ha say ni be kire ye say any o ma de onye papa e bi kro ohye e bi kro mpa je bi su ohye e bi mpa je bi kro ohye da so that is ye culture the environment how the environment sees people so obi ye say ya enu tie na ema me ka say obi approach you sada
there be obi approach you
sada
God's love
so when did
you know lesbianism ni gay ni tomboy na na similar but ni yen she dem who difference no in the bab so who lesbian
them know the difference
yeah o man ka so no munim Ghana for na no mo ye hypocrite o munim say this is lesbian this is gay this is a like o munim ni na but asem pekeke na like see yen who nipa yen kan no asem oba no asha area na two way we kura dey no
be ma obonity
o shit so your perception is different see who your man e different and e say time broni say what dress it way oko hwe ni say kwa obetima be otu akun and it na wo hwe no
okay so
oko European countries ni bia and as America kwa oko ho obi address it na oko hwe na nim say ya say the Ghana ni jimi for o pass em keka no sebi o pass em keka no obeka na de no wa ye yenye sawa bochi nti abochi de obi on freedom ba Ghana ha de mfuturo mu ha so o papa ye elder o ma me ye dickness pa na be ye ohun say okroma de emfa ye culture ne ka ho ye fa Kumasi kwa nya example wo Kumasi a baby a obusuani wo ho sometimes we live your life kwa usuro wo ko banti ma be wo ba ko she obusuani kwa da so obusuani wo ho ho ahwan ni obusuani wo ho ba akra ntisa ntina akra se obi atimi en line we say be say can me person ko on live akra ba so we so
debi amoka dabi me kokoya de wo no
e wo se wo kotina obi se ho no man's land yen ko obi asem ba Kumasi de ebeka oni atin futu mu ankwa de ebeka on na chu so ye na ade se de mabomiti abomaso yi sem na mepe ubetimi abeka nya me se me nko yi masoma de na mi nsane miti then na wo de mame o me life mu e na efie bia so me nsa wo me se de no wo ka no
ebusia bia bi obi no betima atena omopa omon comment o
di pakọ no kura na o critics about no ni fie kura no airtime
so obi nipa ye bubo omo din so mo look like masculine endurance mo nwe so mo no obi afrabusem obi anya Ghana mo so obi ni oti abrocho obi at Ghana ai na o person hwe na digitalization to be hu no obehu no ari nti mo nko mu nipa na so mo nko hwehwe nipa ne se nipa ne yese ni se na obetena ho egu nipa ne nimu ase
Debbie tie Beea enye se obi gu obi animu ase but the entina me my background of how Ghanaians sees people who dress like
but
you ni na yen
but no
meba let me land meba yengu obi animu ase so right now you are giving because wouldn't I also prove people like these people
no I don't need to prove anybody
See, you are proving us, you are showing us and also telling us, say, your dressing no and figure out to what the Ghanaian society thinks obi dresses are or bad dresses are saying or say. You gave us saying, when you Ghana for doing say be our dresses say we are lesbian. What who dating of which the dating now dating no, you are not into women. So you are telling Ghanaians, but Ghanaians obi who see that's what that is Ghana. You get it. So it's not like you can even you can lie. Say
no, I don't have to lie. I have to know. I live my truth. I don't give an F about whatever. Like I live my truth. Listen, I live my truth. Oh, so be some question. Me say obey whom ya permit. I didn't know. Okay, maybe a bit to me that, but if I say based on the can be a to talk for. I didn't know or more say girlish per what you say, no approach obi or tomboy now. Some call for any woman was a more pointed hands. Yeah, so and yet tomboy they are where they but who now they also say oh your banner ya tete na o just so banner ya jo atum society no who now ko approach you be na who mom na also mo ba also and yet the tomboy ya no.
You were talking about endurance.
So what are differences between tomboy and that means you people no wunyini ba that means wunyini ba nyina wonim say a madress and one
and yes sir so you different your mother say we different wow be set to say bia obi e party oh mo friends girls mo ko to atare de obi atono ase enchew te say on hye de machi
yeah
so obi mo invite say ba bi on hye de machi enchew bia wo be hye mini baby abiki ade bi kama you know shows bi na bia o yi hu bi ba me hu say yo we no enche me so de me de enchew no obi a ne de what you say that's it and I no so doesn't guarantee say bia obi just solely man no say and a masculine as it portrays no just any pani lesbian na de no e say oba na no so lesbian and so na be say oba dress ni na man na lesbian na
say anything na make us a Ghanaian society so me
enti o makata o mani what side one me also mo bi o mani no mu that aspect no so say o mo dwen say o dress to them no atare she me be ma matter you can come and check the label matter me she be matter wa and sene sound so dey be ka say nika ne trousers so a didn't na ne broni ye atare no dey but didn't know ye onye me man kwa trousers fama so ye man me ma trousers
wona watch them
say broni ye be man oba trouser say omo na omo twere mu say yo we ya say aha enti no omo hu say ne trousers for me man kwa a didn't know omo ye trousers omo ye male no my female amonye me onko a
meba mama wo scenario we say mimi gina he mpaboa ehye mi oba atimi hye be matimi hye mpaboa no
unisex
we say e ma hye e mema so ebi hye won say we na ma na age afa ba mema no bi so hye e na top but me so obi hu mi sisie ya on ka say e bia e go slav ye or ye that tomboys and I'm a friend oh but with you obi hu or different be so that's the reason why I make us say that's how the society so what me who say wonye that kind of that thought
yeah and you obi baneme
yeah
that's like
because this is you
because,
so be you
because obi ma say you see me ma me ka say be say obi tan wa na so odi pan no cross why you ra say pan no di enya bro na wa hwan no hwan no odi pan no cross why you did like why you ra egu ni fie so no matter what die nipa pese onka ene no be ka enya die odi nani ehunu enka twato so ni ho enti enya die metena ha aka die ehye nipa trimu no ene die ono no pese onka no ene no be ka ntimi en betena ha en prove to obi say oh what you are saying me be crocro say tum obeji atumo onji ntumo the odwen no wo chimu na hye I don't give an F about
you don't care
I don't care yeah
you don't care ti omo modwindwin nyina you don't care
I don't care
about that enti me pese me bisa wo to nyom so enyom na wo to no what shall say time ben now shall say wo to nyom because me who mentor audition I told you that day now mentor audition I was there at Mecklin Hotel by me and family
I also go be
me first attempt I mean mentor audition no na ye akoma
okay
me call and me qualify for Accra and I me qualify for first Accra audition so semi final audition they choose it for 16 no and you me free and I'm so bad another year and I so met sweet. You I saw you
let's look at this picture
I saw you there oh and see Minim say was sana dress that because that time was it 2022 or 2021?
2022.
2022. Until me 2021 I was bounced and at 2022 me buy and I saw you. Sana na would dress it. So me I know say sana would dress it. But obisu huwa that is how the society no yet here. Enti me person me who say and you to carry and then since when I say about him say Beea was some bonyo.
Oh, and I'm not dear. Honestly speaking, to say the case I come forward, because be a man, family, because I've tried a lot of things, you know. I'm a digital marketer. I'm a graphic designer.
Wow.
I do video scripting.
Okay, hold on. That means education background, right?
Me computer science.
Computer science. How are you from?
Oh, KSTU.
KSTU.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's where I'm schooling now. I'm getting my knowledge from.
Oh, okay.
So okay, and now I want to go read it.
I want to go read it. Me computer science. Now me organizer. COMSA, Computer Science Student Association.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, ain't me. I love media. Now me person me media, but say yes who parents and our family no who said the you for we can. I found about my baby and say we can't about one somebody. Obey cry won't cry. Me, I was a footballer first.
Really?
Yeah. Now me bobo be only me be a mom black queens no. Be baby home. Number boy for you chrome. Many member bobo first team my boy. Now many member neighbor. Near coach or the me from my boss. Our time na me slim. Me jai born on my case. Na me slim. Into the me from boy who coach now buy and say unim me team na unim.
Me 20 no for no crime.
Oh, there be. Say na minimum say more body say anka me jai born that.
More cry. Show.
Oh, before me
yeah. I know that.
Inti, I was very skinny. Inti born mu so na complaints no door so. And I want to me your bar first. Inti no parents Beea won the Obama too. When you oba first no ope that oba vibe. Beea maybe an masculine Beea no person mo there. See who can say the Beea they'll get that femininity no. What you say?
That means it's like your parents not they were fighting.
They nipa be canon.
Yeah.
But why they were muna be mo.
What you say? Ella me jai ball. Ti me jai ball no. And your call SHS. It's ball FMI or Kumasi girls also can be bubble free and can me just school fees. And me aunties for sa na me father see you find out they make call baby and your boss and mama kakusia there. And me say me call na me sakotro BC for cause now me be me because of all man bobo until me go school for me and I me start train na me tro BC for and I me sakonya se wenya girls and I also me call you know me grandma say o me bobo anyway but now it's almost a school, but almost first match, almost second match. Me and I'm your boy, Kobo Armed Forces, baby, I bo. Straight from there, no, sir, on SHS campus, no. Un say SHS na ye, alaya. Say Kumasi girls alaya, Manti ene. It's na ye boys ye KTI. That time na boy be. Okay, I throw me letter, no the bear, no more science class. And I'm say, science 4, so dear, come on, letters from Mube. Do you know that for new coins for us?
Wow, quite SHS, young Cholet Tamo Beea.
One go school, and I want go school.
But SS1 could be our home.
SHS, now me a LG organizer, literally, now me a dancer, now me Saturnium, now me a drama, now me a film,
and I saw him Arafat Safari.
Come on.
Some me join here.
LG. My Jimmy Dean Pani at Charlotte's mommy.
The vice president.
Oh, Angela Beea, and it's a pen pal. No one.
Oh, near bro Cardigan, near bro school band.
Then time when a dining was assembly near Bebo. As soon as see one when you know about you.
I body,
your boy and some more.
Boy, some more.
Now me say me you bought me this say your fans.
No
God's love no you bought me this God's love say God's. No me need that time no me need that. Se when I'm about menim kakao, menim no me see soon. Na akakra.
Yes, obi oba hu bia wa solete.
Obi to on so be that.
Yes, no do what oba hu bi pa na to do wa solete.
Yes, we put me share that crowd to ask am me ba na so mo ntro mo letter.
Oh, na man for sure. Ebi so be ka kwa munya.
Ha on sa.
Do obi for say matro munya dey bi o minya ya babo am for dey ba me dey mai.
So which year now shall I say with
music no okay. So it was SHS.
Yeah, SHS 2, 3 and 1.
Me ko SHS 1 no. Na mesa.
Hey.
Na mesa.
Now bobo, now sa.
What I say? Say on return. na mesa enti me ko chess no na ye call your first match e buy no na seniors for no I say yo sa LG group ya na eken omo sane ade ba no mo instructor month na say be call rehearsals na so mo de call mo but me junior ma ba be say metro say minim sa na say eni aba on ti me kwa me ko hear mo say ya me so no minim sa ofie me boys ne sa enti one time been entertainment sa me ko na me ko sign mo friend me say ya member LG member dance classes enti I want to pick asana until the following year and juniors for be buy to mo buy no mo so the asasa be gu mama asasa na e come on say SHS so the competition
that's what divert
me divert na monsieur sa mo be se bi ene be ya de foforo ene de rap buy it's na guy be okay ti no ya da me pa no throw me letters no so rap o mo honom that time enwum we sa ko the rap bi se na sa ko di o so obi asa no yes no
yeah
and I'm metna no be ancha menwom da o metna class science ni o se me kosu ade no tro e bia se wenya ko na matro KTI baby e odo part na ma hyehye sa near co entertainment till they were expecting me to come and dance and I'm be rap no until from there no and I'm switching from dancing
to singing
to
rapping
sa throughout and sana ye be we until me fortunately for me no me we SHS na me management e wo achemoda into right from school no me be fie kakra bi and I'm called down me catch my say me ko some down for be baby aba my friend back and say me down me yanum that was it.
So why did you choose who choose that name Beea?
Okay, so our first na Junika
yeah on mentor
na Junika yeah Junika no on so kwa be ka some from stage name umbra in their first school kana me so me real name na me so Ella Bilson.
Are you Ella?
Yeah, I'm Manuela Amoa Bilson. So na me so Ella Bilson old school enti o mka say for the media ba me chi ma Junika.
Why Junika?
I didn't mind. That's why I said because I come for be me and na fa me I don't plan it come enti Junika na ba Junika de me di ne ko ye na ye da a producer ba Alvin no say ela na den akofa obi ade di Junika na me say me minimum but sa na me pese me na me enti e menton wie ye no and no it was closer to my eviction and I'm ko gugu ye say Jiwu no me kwada me fa say Jiwu ne initials for Jesus is with us and e bia Nika no say bia because of me short no enti me fa ne sa but say Nika na kasa a God if so a son God.
Oh okay.
And Jiwu ne to live as a successor obi a sebi wo akwaba life but so you're reincarnated
but when you say Jiwu Nika it looks like
Obinjini
Nika.
That was how what yeah me ko interview bi asana na sound but na mu na ehun kai Jiwu Nika Jiwu
like as in the
as
Bible Jiwu for
exactly until me ko Google Jiwu na me say and so there as a ancestral bi a ko living a life wasare asaba and me say no I didn't na side ni na
e ba na
me say no I was say me say no na me fa me initials na me hwes de no so be dey ebe sele but Beea ni dey because of me the initials ni na school ni na me kope organizer or KSU say and one na me dey campaign no mo from everybody's Beea o mo say me obi a Beea yeah and from there na me see then ma me fa me e ba kon ka on any unique so that was how I changed the name because not people were misinterpreting it.
Oh, okay. Let me see any question for
so do you have any influences
as friends or influencers as
like when you are growing up now amount for influences your music e be funny did you have
Dabio
obianka
Dabi
into identify yourself common
what I say my life na a style be
to friend kwanka say hey like rap here dey
me near down for me ka obianjin some be hum wa hey maybe am je won numbers asa just say be ade related to e be adwuma me bisa question JB kra just say be me hu ni post be hey bro me hu watch you me near down for some
so you and your family or you and your boyfriend
me na myself na
you do everything by yourself
I do everything by myself
really
me ko baby later na say my friend me mama and I say me na me papa ka cheze mo baby ha life na nkasa na dominant so me that's why me can say me I'm not living to impress anyone because me na me living my life in the crowd no me can say dey me be wi say and control me honestly speaking
so me person me hu wo sha say wo cho nyom e ba no me fan say wo to nyom no rap near from SHS I will kind. Sabi say me who saw the new bimo so abeba. Say who management and I say one kasa na was supporting who be Beea everything.
I don't have management. Me Beea from uploading, from cover art, no, from studio to streaming platform.
So you pay for your videos too?
Yeah, I script my videos, I direct my videos.
Really? No director?
No director. My friend, big house to Angelo. Say on it, me dawa TV mu na skate. Guy ko bi na wa die ni gold na.
Yeah.
Angelo, big house to Angelo oti kwada so to mo side there. Me friend Angelo ne, Angelo bebe ne. So Angelo twa video bi. This is the concept. Say na pesa me here no. Na ma catch ni twa. I script everything myself. Me need direct, me need Beea. Me asa na me ma de.
So that's your party.
Yeah, that's my G. Yeah.
Maybe so that means yani for videos ni nyina na wo take ni nyina no. Emu sen pa na wo se ska we say we come say bia me di sika be 10,000, 6,000, 20,000 edikom, because if you are not having any support, that means ejuma na wo here to push yourself as an artist in now. So saying na wo say so far what you invest in yourself, wo say iska we dey media sha dim na ade na e bi pa how you wanted it, see the now person see fa no ankosa ama.
And then make us say most of the time, sometimes even my salary cry. My salary cry after national service. My salary na me de yenyum. Imagine my salary at the end of the month. No matter say, oh, me could try video. Me to attire. Me say, me ko interview a year. Me to me interviews be 5B. My penny in ego. Into a firm me am with them deba. Enti na me nya scampon da ho say see. Enti na make us say, nyamena nenim. Or they may buy or they may buy. I'm on a journey. Do you understand? I'm not here to impress. I'm not here to inform. I'm here to live what I was supposed to come and do.
So what do you do aside the music?
So I studied computer science though, but I also went for a 3-month course. It was supposed to be a 6-month course, but we maneuver our ways to make it 3-month course. Intensive, 9 to 5. Digital marketing training program. Shout outs to Mest Africa. Shout outs to MasterCard Foundation. Shout outs to Generation Ghana. So we were 40 women. It was for only women, and they groomed us to become professional digital marketers. So I offer all types of digital marketing services. I do web design, web development, social media management, graphic design, video scripting, video directing, video editing. Everything, I do everything.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So what's your first song? I want to know.
My first song?
The first song you recorded and how you felt about it. The first song.
Okay, so officially the first song that I recorded that I felt myself was when I did 15 featuring. 15? Yeah, right after Mentor.
EP or an album?
It was just a song.
Single
song.
Hey. And I never go through.
Me blow ye ntia kan ye mama ye dey hu. Me blow ye.
So do you have role model?
No.
So we show Beea say young and
Debbie me ma de. Ono so one dey the buy. Obia na dey the buy, but me kan ne ya monte ase.
Is me ba artist unyum nyina we releasing nyina. Emu ba ku bi wo hon ma na o feel say anka menye bia amrado. Minya sa akode minya Kofi Kinata minya Kwame Eugene Kidi e wo nyom ne so anka mepe basi kasem nti no anase sisi ekwampone so wabo nyum na wia enyum bi wo hon ma wonya ya anka artist bi ba so anka apa na.
Oh we say Beea hu hia as a musician hu hia Beea wo journey, even the hu ni say open and square hu hia no wo journey say the Beea obe push you more wide wako wenim. But so far make say enyoma me feature big artists was on them my and you na ba o kasa beba me ntuaka. That's the rule
you
I
have
live
for
with.
yourself.
I live with.
Okay.
Say banner say was say original so you enjoy na JB ka try me say interview say na I didn't know ono ko hu mi ache but there was a basun ti sama ba it is na me hu no me sometimes I na me hu ni say e ya na future ni bi ha enye skasema na say obetimi hu no apel me I'm friends with a lot of the big artists. Shout out to Eno Baroni Oba Kumasi o ma shout out to Love FM ne FM bi okoso Kumasi bi o ma shout out to my uncle Reggie Rockstone. Shout out to Nana Mama Brown for holding me down me kwa Accra.
Yeah, I saw you on her show.
Yeah, she was lovely. Okatra the producer some remember back into producer Atamenka. I'm watching now Jude Beko Accra ochina na say bia yeah ene. Pacho Nana Mama producer Auntie Anita. Nana Mama Kacho say let me come on the show, but because of Kumasi and Accra, you know, they say Maria school, Maria they get our marketing course. Me, it's something in car. You have to call me. My ready, member.
So like, me feel vibe, me feel style. No, do you smoke?
No.
You don't smoke. You don't do drugs.
Why should I?
So how do you write your lyrics and melodies?
Me was scared the drugs and
oh, kakrebi, you pesa ocho
oh, there be kakrebi any BBM.
So how do you write your lyrics?
Where you were, you know why?
How do you write your lyrics and melodies?
Eba.
And know about one and about the best suit me na outro.
Eba.
Who say will be her? Emfa Jamaicans or mommy dance on the crano. One la ultimate intro. Oh, la na eba ni trima. Uni panoko hu so ya akoko na ogina ho nyoma bebre na bana ni so
yo kan ewom
yeah
obi ahu me oh obi the bebre na tumi for say oh they am see a guy son of can they am see a guy obi sim be against am or say me smoke can be ma me more way but ena me ka so obi an de o de ba yo me de no ebi nim sa me de ebi nim sa
me de what is bi okwa na stage no stage performance na yes 2 nipa no do so nti eno kwa wetin dey kind almost be 1 billion people now jom now perform can you
person obi a enwom na friend na asa enwom na asoma na ogina stage a hu ni so a different being and ono to a different being opa dem can steady here
yeah minim
enkofo conflict no with wakoje edwuma sunsun bi na but obi enwom friend na nkasa ogina stage a we different or normal reality a we different
say asem na wo kan
nokre pa the my friend no we different
minim de wo kan ba nokre mu say obetimi akogina stage wonim the personal but oko stage akoya so oko stage but then na so ntim no aye BBC na afi waba na o perform you see that thing eno na artist be can be me ntimi mboni de we dey find kwa akese kwa can be say ono smoky that time o smoky no ba stage no ma say enkoko na musisi ho tino bit my do ye bia ene say am hihye bia na say pressure be da no so ba do afa ni ntino ohun bia o ye de obeya ntina me busa say do you smoke if it's a stage konye easy
me for ahwe but me met me no why
yeah me hu on stage before so
what obi afa bi
like like seriously people be brain na ugina mu na ebi kura na we upcoming nipa shida ni mu
onyom obi kura ni mu
yeah maybe 2 bottles but say Ghana for them pay upcoming performances and they done there or slow movement oh intimo no say mo ayana mo ya ade o
me perform ya untimi nja me say me free stage o be hwe me say ya untimi nto no be hwe me.
That's your style.
One, me reality, me physics ne be show.
Yeah, personality there.
To na me dey to nyom no, o expect say me metima ye asade na me ye no. Nti obehwe me say just me free o. Say me free sin ni ma, o njai me hwe.
So strategy no.
Sanity. Nti obia ne dia o de ye. Nti no nso nje say obi hu no ka say yo fa bibi ne hu de o ye bia na o de ye aduane. Ebi na de yensuo
Jude
aduane obi a wone de enti o so hu ade a etimi ma wo gina nipam ekata wo fere so me de se nya kura maika enwom na meto no na afa me de mi ko
hwe obi a
de mi ko mu metima hwe anim na meto de mi ko mu a me de tro sa anwom no ade kura de sa anwom ne bre me no eno na me sa time ni me play emotions act na me ekwa nti ekwa na be bisa me say o ade a we this say bia the camera to me so no kire me
say God's love ni e ka say like obitimi twa onyum wa twa onyum na wi na okọ perform na ni lyrics
big artist ko be
yeah na for the fans na to I say ono kwa fans na kan no akai say aha kwa like me kai say
sa onyum ye the bro so what you am radio interview bia o se no nyum kwa na say the bro no by oka obefa ne say so wonnya obi a na me ka say so wonnya obi anyoma frɛ wa e ka san sɛ mu a ya na
wonti ase
Beea, do we have something like ghost writer
Ghostwriter. We have ghostwriters.
Say omo mo Illuminati no mo timi bon sam de nyom ne bre omo like oko studio a.
Ghostwriters say nipa no nto nyom bo tro de ma.
And na esa wo bi was say omo se Leo Wayne. Onto nyom no. Oko studio I bi wo ha. Nso wo tro lyrics na de oko studio. Bono eba. Oto no as obi na atro abre no. Eno na me understand no obi na atro. If I say satanic you so almost Illuminati we no am for Satan tro nyum ne bre omo no omato and then nyum ne so ba ehete oh e true
there be adibi won na ya kasem
na it's true ma hwe secret behind hip hop sa de no ntimi minim enioma artist no mo ya ma me ja hip hop creative
ebi so a sani me kono de sani man ba so reason to de ba be say nipa no
yeah
okay Lauren amele eno sa on kind lyrics
hwe what am ba me hu obi a me mfa sa na eyi ne ma hwe kwa kwese call prison by ode ne nyum bi by eno no be hete enyum ne be hete ye pa but em fa se bi anko tu kwanko India na se be no sa anyum be ka se akọ je do na de aba so prison ko ba no be to sa anyum enyum ye de ba wiase e so hu se wiase ne reality ne ye wona ye timu sisi ano
be
ye live with enyuma bebre influence o ma wo ye but say obi say bosrem ka ho say bia say out word ama me say bia o se me freestyle ma e bia obi abo obi di say akoye ko timu wasudi Sunday old times na for free bia obo obi no dey rap and so be ka say bia satanic bi na dey buy
I'm not talking about Africans cry Americans no na me do mo example
ye ntimi conclude but me hunu say e nka to so
like my show
what share adibo say movie cramp ye share mo obi
this is not a movie and AI
adwuma ya wo ye wa ho be betena ye o mu so question be go be pass but utimi free mu busa masem bi kura na bia me ba on dwene hu
o ye be before
dey make no tell
o ye before
but utimi can't see me what I say question bisa girl come and show man you know na ba and just say they are brown we say we bisa
minim sir
mama can say me show yen ni ba nyina say be on say say vampire na ye wo alien na den abrofu na yi movie na me ye dwen say vampire bi we yes but there's nothing like that
any movie secret behind hip hop history ye di eche ye nim says o mo kwa no mo join Illuminati a o mo di etro nyum no is there
o join Illuminati a yan so o confirm no chi
enti won say
yan so wa so yan so dey no
be so Americans na be ye fan say when cry da baby and I say o mo we dey famigos kwa nya example talking rap what's talking rap me good who because e your time Bow no o record him ni bia no say wo tu am because na nyum be na o de batwi mu am kwasa sem kwa no kika o I get money you me and your friend rap talking and who say no we the brother be out be out there almost all different almost say no you can say ghostwriter ebu anyum no na twero ye the brain no spirit in the brain or the brain na akogina studio ogia microphone achi no I started I'm let it get on hwe bibia so o international konya stage I say fast na kai no obede original oyebi obede number 1
obede so sada so
example na me
say Illuminati party o de o patch say sa akode Illuminati
no please obede we your biggest fan onye Illuminati
ukrom ni party also on Illuminati
but you know it say abrofo no omo yes ani
omo
Drake yebi almost 90%
me ka
you don't have evidence.
Many evidence.
The issue is when you don't have evidence, you shouldn't.
And God's love body odi gobe. Obeje dey na say wonyin.
Meje di say aduane.
It's evidence way. Me trying to say odi gobe na me dey be kire wa na.
Ya ko doctors won be aduane e na no pa meji.
No, say me ba be catch say na odi gobe. Obeje dey na say wonyin. Evidence bi wo ho.
There be.
Internet na me confidence.
Me pese ye twa ye ho sema e ba ansa.
Oh God's love. I know me do we che be for sa.
Ye di de Beea me come see ye DMC analysis e chia on. Wan hwe ya eye den ma Illuminati kwaye sa akode. Ghost writing there. Ghost writing there. What the ye mate? Ye twa ye ho sema. Dwumedi a wo hwe eye tete mofra ko hu. Ye twa ye ho sema ba ye ba pe. Beea e the freestyle kakra be mai. Ye mo Beea kwa babiem eba tete mofra online TV so me din Edigos Lava Fum the Beea Gos Lava Fum your bubbly girl beautiful eloquent very loud lady Gos Lava Fum yes mami ame kan for enchina kan for no me ame kan for me enti ene me asi se ye kasa nyina no na say ye mu bi mu dwen se be kasa saa no asori akọ debi enye tete mofra ko hunu show so e wo say ye man chance no ma ye freestyle kakra na ehu rap no na ye so ye ngie nika be and then me nim say me na me ma beat o say then yo me ti beat be na me fama yeti me ya
ope strong man beat ni bia na say
beat ni o cry
yeah enti e dey me ma beat
debi yenti acapella
yenti acapella on enti e ma yenko
MC di o say jai me ne
ye me do video ni kan ku me
enti me ka jai me ni mu me ye jai me ni mu freestyle kakra
na me de pa
video ni na etwa
video ni kan ku me no
enti we nyina te sene na wo ka se one on script
e na menu yaketo na me mane ye makeup no mo makeup ni na menu yaketo na mane ye
o ye makeup
that zombie style
wonye bi da enti na me ka se mi se sa de ne o se ye ya se do time o se me ya ebesi
okay
what do you say
di machi mi yeru 22
okay
ye ne be o nya akra
me asantiri ntina ma eche me nya akra
o ye di atemu asantiri for ye di ntina
asantiri bia eche
o ye sama Gosla benyan
video ne so me ba storyline ni ye den because zombie abam yi die storyline ye den
storyline ye the challenges we face in life. That was about the song. And some title the Jaime no. And never be the sorry tie. The idea new. The info new. And never be the sorry tie. Enti. Me the sound me buy say. Kenya ya hu say. Mo ma ye bi no ma ye bi like omunja ye na fe ye dey. Ye live your life na ye nto aso. Enough is enough. So that was what the story portrays.
Enti zombie for no omoye den wom.
It was just a portrayal of spiritual as a nema basa obi ye konkonse obi ye be obi ye enema ade emfa ani hu de ani hu obi o sorry obi o tan hu kwa I represented them with all those things. That was the first thing nearby and I said me tell me you man be say me trouble me ko wura baby ti me ko wura ho no na I say me dey minim say I'm in my world I mean we are say minim hwia me tim minim da mewu minim da me pra minim da me nya accident na me wona me tim baby me wa so ma be chechire me we bo me ha na we bo me mfe na we
okay that means I say young lady awesi so na nim say life ya normal na bibi abeka
enema is
ya die ti me ba
bibia ti me ba
when say video no share zombies na ebia won chase ebia de eni bi bona ha no ono konkonse ne
no ti mu so no really pen ono ti mu say o frefra nkofo ani o he city ya etu utu hu mi nya keto do makeup no ni ono ne wala sin
eti be video yi apart from so unia na kasa boa so unia kwampo de e be kasa bi on juice ka video we nya bo kasa o bo kasa
e ka wo ma minti be $100 billion
billion billion
my friends say say we dey me try video we dey me nua be boa me minti bi kasa wo ba no fa ka iska ko fie obi o mu bia sa akra so to bia biscuit bi ni ma okogina fini ma okosre e wo say o mani bibi e bia jiwe to aduane obo mo aduane obo mo nsuo obi a boy some buy am be boy na be ma obi a keska what I say
mo use a day na me dey try
me dey dey try video
into who spend day saying what my estimate
yes me kasa ni be no be mo miska bro sa na I say
Gosla bo ti meka
meba
ayan common ni miska
because me say me money scan ne
1 billion
that be tie ayan common ni e bi krompa that money we economics na so ye but na nke was nke bro sa into what my estimate
ye cry ye video ka bread bi na m say no man can't share me so we try video e one or two ni bottom ska one bottom no yi ma me I don't lie to you what I say it's a billions on says you come to some miska
oyebi usa na ne eche uska na ka kacha o ma me
enti na make us my estimate on say be a video ya ye twa ye video na say
and na me say 1 billion me ka mu njindi
ana la mogini amba video ni me
can never the last
year we ko la kwa mi o
e ko la o
sa
can ko
ana ma JB sa fan ko eche ni video
can ne ko la o
you can we ne boarding
And you Corolla.
God's love carry anybody. As a Ford.
Ford,
yeah, new type. Almost billions.
I say movie. It's not a washing, but mom washing. You video about coming channel.
And maybe that means a car no currency.
My and your rent be a Masada car shop minimum like obi and I like but won't be van free. It does a fuel and we am sako wash man of
like in Tikai a copem cry mocha.
Meka.
Okay.
What is
estimates in Ama?
Estimate, the phone say, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
dollars.
10,000.
100 million.
100 million.
Thank you, right?
Thank you, 100 million. Okay. Roughly.
Roughly, no.
Oh, and 1 year.
So you spent a young KB account media before.
Let me your business because I turn at home.
So do you have any memorable collaboration where you have to say I collaborate me there?
So for now when you collabo.
Like memorable, like shots and like the tools there.
No more. You mentor me collaboration. We need that edition. DSL. You see all links entertainment.
Yeah.
Your collaboration be banner hard. And I release but sometimes not links for not be signing na. Okay say I can release the song though, but about video I just be who links for any sketch any ade. And a brother man, well, Lutia, I know him the own, but any fault I don't blame him. Only the own say. And I can say kind of bit my links for they can very project Beea.
So why don't you have a management? Also your management.
So management in the bar, magic. Management
in my for now.
Management in a neban. Hey. In the body of chocolate. And Ghana music, they say you'll be a TikTok. I don't know my uncle for any music, but Obi what tell me the music met my but onim and you nim. Tebia, oh, yeah, baby, a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year be artist you blue and a bamboo. No, child. But beyond the time.
Like what faces are no money with that. So be a boo, Bem say, Nigerian women we quite the same for who says Canada. What is expensive? Ubia,
or say,
Ebefa.
Like the way I am. Obi ehu o personally to obi ehu o pe wasem 2 enyum na wo ye no e fata wo ye but o ye adwuma ho from so e be boa
na me obi aka the same thing as acheme
me yet say time am waste na me dey enyum na e fa me dey marketing e be boa me say me
jai what kind of marketing
scanner me dey betwa video me dey be record me dey be we no me the ton anyoma I can get profit Debbie
yeah because when him say 10,000 ya we dey chat video
and you say rent obi dan man
even full bill and a full bill ba kokra be 5,000 it is en ka do koto full bill first grade crampo mienu a aka be we wo ska
God's love internet dey be make say onenim dey oye like se me bomiti o ma be boniti a me di peska me mfa nkobokro no obey say ya or they making money on fan ko bokro no it say Ghana for accept my mindset na e be boy so assume say dey why anyway at least or car or see we customer no but why say no bo jantra bra ubeti so akowia dey why no dey or the bo abrabo ehun hia
but I think
say personality there and e should have
fun na bo me personality abo me e bo ha
me say
ko be obi say won TV so keke obi chemiska obi chemi me ngofo chema dey pa
meche.
But I think say you understand them. You understand them.
I was some air right some can air. But let me no change skada. We was jusika. Saturday na me dey misika ama will be like me bro be. And I me yenu be say me video as me pe. Me person me dey beto watch it. It me friend pan say on oh enko yi no watch no. Just dey be am so am the misika be chesa but me yeska obi here dey. E fa bi mbre me. But then you and yes, cowboys in Beea once says I did say no be frame 1K. It's imagine come me 2 cities as once in
2K.
Then they Beea to that God's love. But then me who me or him say won for what I feel my phone say hey but then me didn't know like but then me now about them
so there's something in you but yeah na you see any third eye second eye in you but I say o time on so you be won say wujimi sabi obi won say udi nkwasasem me I say unim de oyo obi nim say na nka jude be di keke amene ene say o show o nya TV o show ezibana show no mo de aba e show ne ba be
oh really
o show o nya TV so obi nim say kwesi official ne Akosia Dixon ebe lovers e TikTok so amomanya brand ambassadors abe influencers and ko start say yache
yeah
but so time so ya hu ni say ade na wo ye ne kwasasem but so time so a na be hu say we ni ade a was made them because me I've tried a lot of things but they me any easy I'm here me feel okay me say this my soul
yeah and I won't say no but sometimes yeah ade a opa when you are not gaining anything now we now who say who flow well you are okay with it
exactly
into the my flare na kakra yanko with the song I
and they are spelling na me
Jaime dey me do Jaime say that mo ba me feel no ato
the video ni share no
and also
me so share na so
okay and we say Jaime slow and say fast rap but me am mama Jaime bone be na mayo wa time pepem come anima na wo sign me wohu me da achi na wo say me Jaime nyame ahia me a wo nte ase wo beti ase Jaime na chorus ne munjai mi o my bro memra so me blow o de me na malam ni asofo say me omo say me se madofo ne maboafo mpaw me omo mpaw me eso ni abosom no mo kanche ya ton me menwom to ntwato so ne atro ne di say midin e yo tan hunu ene ye first verse second verse ne ye erade jemme wan jemme a mo bekume omo ben me ne say me atamfo to madu bone eni bone ne hwe me oh merade into hwa mo mekume jemme. So this is the song. Very good. What I say?
Very good song. Everything is on point.
What I say?
Like me share video no, miss me busa JB said JB na ono na ye video no.
Beea.
I was say bear management. I was like, no why are you
like
makeup
me dey go TV3. I'm born TV3.
Yeah, makeup no. Sa zombie you know.
TV3 so they don't play just.
Yeah, next in the panel. Like me who here na me say and then the management na yard. If he says zombie we na panel share no. Me dey sana me hu ye. Why are they?
Why another flair be more?
Yanko.
Say nanki e ma obi tina kwa ma ye freestyle.
Beat be na pesa obo. Obo hip hop.
Me dey ya capella ni enti me pese me tie nwom no.
Okay.
Ye enti nwom no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to Asantema mechiam na nanom atena nkonya otwedi ampo kire wonsa so ye ma wonsa da bida nanom ensani monana ama me yi apaye sintwene so frefre mu wie mumre nyi nkonya si osu bina twadu kasa wie na nanom adikanfo obi ampa Asantema ye bia mo nsoma no ankafo titirasem omambofo wie e mo na pampa so obi afa homa aboye ho pa mo nche ne se ne time so akonfo asofo kremofo mamo homene so oba pan na nanom atena nkonya
very good bay why are they oh so one blue cry me mente ase I no go lie you inshallah alhamdulillah say one blue me mente if say me hu say ebony say na me hu no we say what say me show was ebony na me penasem God's love ebony into we bet now no say na me hu
ebony am I booking heart
na like what stage am I be out for that say original stage yes we very slow na onyem no kwa nim na afia to bottles one we be side stage
mbampo enya kasa say ehunhunu ase bia me nso wan see obi na me mai say me nso wan see obi
you know I'm MC
I know
and
busa portfolio rich condo show no na portfolio who performance da me na share show be TV bro unim say me ada wan say bia me twa wachi on me ada me first mentor audition DJ Slim na audition so no say me kuma say akra me rap ni ade found the who me live baby but portfolio who me set me na why see me to me but who say me perform that enti the first show no ma perform time no mo say when the show be ho ba minti who say mainstream artist start here when say mama ka change na mo
campus
enti no so menya no enti which condo show no me brown manager wo
the new one
yeah enti mo de we mo ba me na 3 days program na mo for 3 days
say all black ana
all black yeah enti you started show no first day no performance number so second day into day na artist for ni na buy no omama obi an upcoming biama it was only me any guy or security or no shout out on February but oyanyum ba on say skasemuti or security or na omama full stage no na me nim chatamichi da na me so ba na me nim da be full stage na me J mic no na omo ko invite East Lagos Executive Club for ni bi omo tete wono and a bloggers Beea Kofi Asamoah omo the whole set Zion omo sika official the whole set it's not me didi omo inside no some restaurants and put the side and I'm buy no say omo se brand be perform you and so time you try na say mainstream artists ba unti dey emba it's not influencers phone in abana Charlie do your money less omo dey minim omo and I'm call hala omo and I'm say me ko perform me amba no so you and fast and I'm dey me kata me aduane kwa me biem me take performance my main
so mo say
and now fast me call me gi microphone na say first me chite na yi mu hwe me ne baby oda no hwe me gi microphone me full stage na postpone na MC no say ko mu do mo bomb je mo nya no performance da odi nkomo ni show bi na me ka say bro me ntwa wa chi me yada and I'm going to so 2 minutes. I'm going to 2 pen. I'm going to 4.
2 minutes for 2 songs.
For 2 songs. It's a major trust. I'm sure you know ya. Me just stage in so. O ka ba me time ni bi aka. The answer na full. And I'm full stage no. From the mic ni ma me na. My first song drop here. Me so me perform am be say o dey you need to call from na. Me to mo say me na me to ma dey. And I'm say wa for the. O jina me chi. Me video no o me TikTok mpo. Or Facha TV for much and the full show. Imagine say upcoming now Facha TV much me yin na kusi. Enti me start performance no. O jina me chi no me fans. O wie na o say can be see for mu no. Mo say ma me to second song. O wie na say jina ho no endorse me say o Kumasi is starting to support our own. Then one me handle so.
I can charge you.
Yeah, ma me 2 minutes so. So me free stage. Na ma to me 2 as I free stage. Na ma say nyom 3. Me be 3 minutes I check yes.
Almost be 10 minutes.
Almost be 10 minutes. Ma say nya hype. Enko for video me. Enko for me TV so.
Be o san ka charge you. Who say o san ka charge. So must mean me.
Be yeah brand no. I'm say the manager dey come let's go.
Share. Let's go.
Be yeah brand na yeah be. Oh so your person do social media handles no etuja and na ye ni so Japan say wa ba say you are very beautiful to be honest. Yes, I'm telling you
you are very beautiful. You see one sexy lady right here or your finest artist in America. No
MC Karon can me o carry microphone.
Baby, you are very beautiful.
Thank
you know you are the sexy lady, the sexy artist, the finest artist in America right now.
Thank you.
Keep on.
Bae, it's of our social media handles, no? Twitter.
Okay. BAE on all streaming platforms. Me promo show. Me dina masa me say the boy be brain nje when na my birthday. Go for be reach out to me. Mr. Monty say like any be na be gobe san. Say the fried rice. It's Mr. Monty say rebranding na mo fa nesa mo ba me comment asa mo be comment jiwunika Mr. Mo. That's say say me jiwunika be say trouser ko say you can be jiwunika say measure trousers Mr. Mo Monty say be na me di initials. Jiwunika na dey I didn't na me ni be e buy and I use it I think say buy for some if I use it for show ne pay. And they say Jiwunika is over. They say I'm Beea. Please accept it. I'm BAAE on all platforms. I'm everybody's Beea on Facebook. I'm Beea to the world on Instagram. TikTok I'm Beea. Snapchat I'm Beea. Twitch I don't know. It's most of Ghanaians be more Twitch. Twitch is more Twitch, but no many artists but so I'm Beea.
And she is your baby's Beea.
Yeah, I'm everybody's Beea, and I'm also into digital marketing. I do graphic design, I do video scripting, I do video directing, video editing. Beea web design makes my website amount. O person in developing new one, may design so na person may amount. Beea and we reach out to MC ne sister. Goslav or more. Ever reach out to me now.
Me Peppa said that usabeba showing so. I just like your flair, everything, and keep on doing whatever be our spirited show. Because near way now we need you one day good results will come.
Sure.
I love you so much. Which is honestly a very nice MC.
I'm having a program every Saturday, Trap House Saturday. I will pull us with the Saka boys coming on so be pass to try. Me say me person me do Kenneth Esha say I think next week. It's Kabenya Hua commit me the work on my flyer amount.
Matekasa.
Yeah, me here way.
Ono kwa me menu aba na ko twa ne video. Me aba me ne video be.
Sa okay.
Me ne video bi actual.
No, e project kese pa na me me include this.
Yeah, that so say we dey enyum project aba. Cause kuma so dey mo support here.
Yeah.
Na e say nso esre mo say ska o mo pa mo nya na mo nye I was ni bi na. Ye free Accra was cause omo hu se Kumasi artist omo mbu ye cry. Ye free Accra.
Anytime ka say TDM me Accra for kan. Kumasi for kan. Ye free. Accra ne tema ne Accra de anyway.
Sky am onye we se mo fa nye our show my wife.
Amen. So ye hu ye can despite asifo ni hu. So we are blessed. Enti ebusiafo aha ene de tete mofra akohunu show ni nyina ebesi ene de bia se memete so a tete mofra akohunu so a eye me Goslav ena Omar Sterling the MC, finest MC ene nya bay a oye artist na dodo na friend Nika o sese ya rebranding enye jiunika biem eye bay enti ube hu no all social media platform ena me patcho ne nyom so ya mun streaming maye yesa benya ne biem e wo show ne so me da se wenya bre na waje wenya bre no wa say nya adaji mom because utimi nya bre na nso no bre na wo de hwe no wa adwi ni yeso enu nti ye da se pa se wunya ni nyina bi na wo de hwe ye be hia da foforo